Hello guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si Pani rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa performance ni Ice Higuera at ni Juris, ni Princess, at ni City. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood yung kanilang performance. Kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin. And 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Alright. So, here we go. Nakasan ko lang. Si Juris.
That people come into our lives for a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are
Ang ganda talaga ng boses ni Juris, no?
Who help us most to grow if we let them, and we help them in return. Well, I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I'm who I am today because I knew you. Like a comet pulled from orbit as it passes the sun,
Kanin, sarap sa tenga.
like a stream that meets a boulder halfway through the world. Who can say if I've been changed?
Tagos sa heart, eh. Pag kumakanta si Ice Higuera, no?
Because I knew you, I have been changed for good. It well may be that we will never meet again in this lifetime. So let me say before we part, so much of me is there. What I learned from you, you'll be with me like a handprint in my heart. And now whatever way our stories end, I know you have rewritten mine by being my friends. Like a ship blown from its mooring by a wind of
Gusto ko rin talaga yung boses ni City.
sea dropped by a skybird in a distant wood. Who can say if I have changed for the better? Because I knew you. Because I knew you. I have been changed for good.
Grabe, no? Pag kumakanta talaga sila yung emosyon. Ang galing nila magkwento habang kumakanta. Napaka-pure.
But then I guess we know there's plenty to share, and none of it seems to matter anymore. As it passes the by a wind of like a stream that meets a boulder by a halfway through the world. Who can say as I knew you, because I knew you.
Sarap sa tenga.
I have been changed.
Ganda ng blending, harmonizing. Grabe yung vocals nila. Yung emosyon, grabe. Tago sa heart. Napakagandang performance. Woo! Whoop! Galing! Napakaganda. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung performance nila. At ang maganda sa kanila habang kumakanta kasi sila is may emosyon at habang kumakanta sila is kinukwento nila yung kanta. Kaya grabe yung connection, yung tagos niya sa puso ko. Galing. Galing. Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kang mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. You know? Bye po.